the lawnmower day. Do you like hoover or lawnmowers? Huh?
Can you do it?
Yeah. Do you like lawnmowers or hoovers?
Yeah.
Hoovers?
No.
Why did you have that many lawnmowers then?
Can you do it?
Yes. You got a lot of lawnmowers.
I know.
Not this one. You already got it.
This one?
Yeah.
This was
No. This is small. This is right. This is the right one. Leave it.
why
This is for that one. Look for that one. Look for that one. That one. Look.
why is for this one?
This is for that one. This is for that one.
Can you have a way?
Yeah. Shall we start it? You start this one. You start this one. Daddy will start this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for the wire, okay? I'll help you be careful with wires. Make sure we don't crush the wires, okay?
Can you do it?
Okay. Let me check.
Can you do it?
Okay, which one you like?
What? Can you come here?
Yeah,
Come
where?
here.
Where?
Get that box one and put this.
No, this is old one. This is old one. That is new one. That is new one. We just bought it.
No, guys. Can you do it, please?
What do you want? What do you want?
That little glass.
Oh, the box.
Yeah.
Do you want to put it in the box?
Yeah.
Why do you want to put it in the box?
I want to put it in the box and give it back.
No, we can't give it back because we used it.
What?
We already used it. Come on.
No, give it.
We can't give it. We used it.